Be close friends, bro.
You want to be close friends, bro?
Huh?
Why you ain't send my
Limit,
friend request?
I've
What you
tried, they
mean?
won't let me.
Send my friend request, bro. You don't want to be friends?
I'm really pressing. Okay, there you go. My thing was tripping. It wouldn't let me. Because we were, like, he said we were benching wrong. And, like, he was talking about 3 inches was big. And he was like, if 3 inches are big, like, no, because, like, bro was tweaking.
Nigga, if 3 inches is big, that means 4 inches is like
Massive.
outstanding.
Yeah, that's wild.
Bro, 1 inch is like average. Is it? For my cooks.
That's what he said. That's what he said. He said, like,
Wait,
if 3 inches is big, half
Hold
of that
up.
is average. And
if
I was like,
three,
nigga, are you trying to tell me something? Like, are you trying to tell me something, fam? Like,
Isn't Gary the Gooch,
I
bro?
thought that it sounded like it was a lot about Reach's game.
Gary the Gooch.
That carry the gooch.
He was too comfortable about talking about the 3 inches.
Shut up.
And in the other phone, all I had was goofy pictures of you.
Those will work.
Those are not gonna
Don't
work.
work. Don't work. They're
You're not getting no hugs with that.
Cap.
Fuck, nigga.
it's not showing y'all
Get up.
name.
Come on, swing, nigga. Swing, nigga.
I'll snap.
Swing, nigga.
Oh, JJ's own dang.
Swing, nigga. Wait, Mike.
It's not that serious. It's not that serious. But that'll work. Exactly, brother.
Get out the car.
Alright.
No, don't run from it. Get out
We're
the
gonna
car.
wait.
Help! What
Oh
happened?
no, I'm good. Never mind.
Wait, what's in there?
Why was that nigga yelling so loud?
JJ, you yell. You yell.
Like, there's a
No.
passageway in here.
We can't get in it though. It's not.
Move.
There's no option.
Hold up.
Use
Wait.
the TNT.
Wait.
What I
Wait.
am? What I am?
I'm
There's a book.
Oh
starving,
yeah.
bro. Where
Swing
y'all
then,
at?
nigga.
It's a
Swing,
Bible.
nigga.
Somebody.
Swing, Mike.
William
Fuck, nigga.
needs a sacrifice.
Fuck, nigga. Swing then.
Oh my god.
JJ, it's never that funny.
Oh yeah.
Bro's
It's never
actually
that
in
Swing,
serious.
combat.
nigga. Wait.
Here.
How did you go in there?
Y'all not,
Bro's
yeah, y'all not
boxing
getting it.
right now.
Oh, press chop or not.
Swing.
Wait,
Give
come
me
back.
out,
Come
give
back.
me
Come
out.
back. Come back.
Put it in,
Okay,
cop.
nigga, everything just now loaded in for me. Like it's on the gather
Put it in.
shit
Put it.
where.
Oh,
Okay.
bro.
Bro, it's not showing your name. So I'm like, I barely
I'm
can
gonna
find
mute this bitch, bro.
JJ's in UFC.
Oh yeah.
Kick him.
All right, let's all go in here.
Kick.
Boom.
Boom, boom. Now it just sounds like he's shooting people.
80 dog.
Oh! Help me! Help! I hear him.
I'm going in the cave. I'm going. No. I'm in the cave. I'm going in the cave. All right.
I'm going in the cave.
Why did you run away? Why did you run?
Give me.
Oh, shit!
Why you begging?
My nigga, what's his
Damn.
names?
Scared.
Yeah,
I'm scared.
I hear him. How's it out there, Davey? How is it?
It's
Wait,
peaceful.
I hear there's stuff in the cave. Hold up. Hold up. I was hearing something.
Oh, it look like they on y'all, bro.
What?
Y'all
Hold
but
up, wait,
start
what?
running.
Whoa! It's the gray nigga.
Y'all but start running, nigga.
Get
They
in the water.
on
Get in
you.
the water. Get in the
They
water.
saw you.
They can't attack you. They can't attack you in the
Oh
water.
my god, why is there so many?
What happened? What I missed? What I missed?
Okay, we ran into the cave. They
Bro,
ran into
what
the
the
cave.
fuck?
and stuff
What
like
the?
Hey Q, bro.
What is
Your character in
this?
game looks just like you, bro.
What?
Your character in game, it looks just like you.
Bro,
It looks just like you.
am I a black dude?
I won't lie to you,
No,
Dave.
white
Your
guy with a
character
beard.
look exactly like you.
No, because there's a black. Wait, is William black? No, because there's a black dude with free forms. Okay, let's go down.
Nigga, what the fuck am I looking at? Blood, gut. Is that a human intestine?
He's scared of nothing.
Yeah,
He's scared of
Oh,
nothing.
y'all need to be careful from them spider niggas.
Nigga may be good.
Y'all gonna get
Give me a second. Give me a second. Me and
Bro,
Q are
there's
Dude,
exploring.
I have no second,
Bro, don't leave the
nigga.
cave.
If a great
Hey, don't leave
nigga
the
see
cave.
me, I'm cooked.
Davey, don't leave that
Yeah,
cave,
we're
bro.
finna get to it.
Davey, there's two mutated creatures right outside the cave entrance. One's the one that shoots babies out of his anus.
Don't.
The other one has 5 arms on it. Looks like
Nigga.
my retarded dog.
Oh God,
You
if I get
There's
attacked by
another
a great nigga, I'm cooked.
going back up. I'm going back up.
cooked.
Don't, bro. They're surrounding, bro. They're like right outside. Wait, they're kind of moving away. Y'all can
Just
make a
leave
run
the
for it.
game and we start.
Oh no,
Make
we're going deeper into the cave for some reason.
No, I'm
Y'all
cooked.
are?
I'm Hoatin. I'm Hoatin.
I thought you were finna say horny.
Oh shit! Inside a walk.
Wait, there's a suitcase. Please have some water in it.
It might be cooked.
I got a chainsaw.
You where? Where?
Chainsaw, hold up.
That's what we
Right here.
needed. Yes.
Right here.
Bet.
James, I want to kiss you. Mwah.
Oh, thanks. Why did you?
We cooked.
I'm not waiting. Ah! William, where?
Help me! Please help me!
Please, we
coming back
said. Please,
up. Come back up. Please.
please, we said.
I need help! I need help!
Oh,
wait,
if you don't, we said I'm cooked.
We'll save you, James. We're
I'm
coming.
cooked. I'm cooked. I'm actually cooked. I'm gonna lose all my shit. I'm leaving the game. No,
Nah.
I ain't doing it.
All right, here we'll reset. All right, but
Right back. Look.
Hurry, nigga! We got like, whoa, it's all the way past. It's all the way almost past my
all right,
skull.
bet. All right, let's
Please,
reset, and then William can be with us.
please. Deadass, I need you.
Yeah, run from it. You run it. Run.
Get him!
Yep.
Get him! Oh! Yeah!
Yeah.
He butt.
He is,
There's
but
more.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, you can hold it out. All right, here. All right, fine, William. We'll reset. All right.
I didn't.
all right. The same circle.
Oh.
All right.
Wait, I hear something.
Alright.
Chill.
Alright, let's actually reset that for real. Let's actually reset.
All right, we reset. I'm gonna reset.
Alright. I'm gonna leave it.
I'm gonna heal you real quick.
the huzz. Don't worry.
That's crazy. Where the freak is this thing at?
You want me to invite you
The
again?
girls call. We call the girls huz. The girls call us bruz. Well,
Don't cost me huzz. I'll murder her family. I'm joking. I'm starving.
Wait, we.
I'm being like. So
Oh my
for real.
god! I gotta make that whole trip again. I'm about to.
You can sleep at that cabin we have. We built.
Yeah.
that cabin.
The cabin we have, you can sleep.
why do I hear footsteps?
Alright, bro.
What is happening?
What did you scream for, bro?
I heard.
Scream like Courage the Cowardly Dog, bro. Can you?
Yes,
Alright, you sleeping, James?
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah.
You, get over here.
Hey, nigga, I was watching out. I was looking out.
Good.
Alright.
Now make this fire. Make it.
Alright.
Put the clap
Alright,
on the clap on the clap and put it in.
I just put tape on my dick.
What?
Thank you. Now, like that.
you just
like,
you put tape on your dick. What?
Average bro.
You,
Hold up.
you paid,
Hold up, bro. I gotta charge up my finisher, bro.
dude, did you
Be
put a
like-
lizard on here, bud?
Hello, my fellow fine shape. Nigga think he all that because he got some hugs now.
He is all that. King Davy.
So like, how are we supposed to get out of this cave?
Nigga, that look like a 2-year-old girl.
Hold up.
What?
What are you
said
talking
you like
about?
2-year-old girls?
Yeah, what? I'm
Yo,
pretty sure.
whoa.
No, we all heard that. We all heard
say
that.
Twin.
No, we all heard that. We all heard that.
I did not say that. Like,
Help him, please.
Okay, bro, Q, you're gonna have to. I'm gonna distract the creature thing, and you're gonna pick him up. Okay.
baby, light
Just kill them
Light
first.
the
Just kill
torch.
them. They are eating me, nigga.
Oh, they're taking that nigga cheeks.
Please help. Oh God,
Hey.
please.
They're doing him
It's like it's almost half my skull. Please. Oh God. I see Jesus.
Oh, Q. I'm about to die. I'm about to die.
Here's Johnny!
Take it! Eat it!
Yeah,
Damn, he got me. I'm down. I'm down. Oh God.
yeah. Hold up. Teabag.
Well, I told you he can smell the blood. Like they are
He ain't walk
on
towards
us.
us. No, he ain't walk towards us. He's just walking really close, and we ain't trying to test our look.
Nigga, I got so much ass in my face right now.
What? I was about to say what? Hold on.
I got so much ass in my face.
I'm not. No.
The game.
Oh yeah.
Well, James. Davey, come on. Damn.
What the hell?
Oh, my bad.
I think we should all jump him.
It's Jump Street.
Oh yeah.
Yo,
We better jump in your ass. Come here, boy.
Like, save
Come here, boy.
save your game.
Oh, buddy.
Sit y'all down in the living room, gang. Don't say nothing outlandish.
Tell
You
William
got,
that.
he got to turn us
see.
down.
Yeah. Well. Get
Where
it.
y'all
Get
at?
it.
Oh.
Get it. Hit it.
Wait,
hit
what?
it, hit it,
All
hit it.
y'all at?
Flip it.
Oh, you up here.
Did y'all hear that? Please tell me y'all heard that.
Mindset.
Help.
Wandering around.
Bro, you
Look
got
out for a bomb.
you got mad at me when I did that. Yo, James, what are you doing?
yo. I don't know.
Oh, wait. Just die. Just let yourself die. Yeah, we heal your water.
He just told you to like KYS.
Man, we want to know.
What happened?
Oh, hell no. Yeah, right.
Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through these motherfuckers because they ain't shit. Okay? Let's
Hey,
go.
I got some
hold on.
dynamite. I can use dynamite.
Give me like.
Fuck these fuckers up, boy.
I feel like Helen Keller right now. I can't see it. I can't move.
Okay, move it. Listen to him. Like
That's
they just gonna
William.
waste his load on you.
You don't want to be saved. Don't save her.
Nah, y'all not worthy of my nut.
But we don't want your nut.
Yeah, run
You
from
don't
it.
want
Run
your
from it.
nut.
Damn.
You got knocked the fuck out, man! Give me my goddamn money. The payback's a motherfucker, ain't it? Nigga!
What happened?
Yeah, kill your bitch ass.
He just pieced your ass up.
You can't let
Damn.
Bro, I got an Alpha Sigma shirt on right now.
Nigga my boy.
So I don't have enough stamina for this. We actually need to eat.
Say my nigga.
We need to eat.
Instead of real signal, how about real nigga?
Save her.
Run, nigga, run!
What is going on up there?
You mean Arnold switch cheese, nigga? Arnold switch cheese, nigga? Is that you talking about?